Rizal then decided to return home in the Philippines after 5 years of staying in Europe, kahit na binalaan na siya ng kapatid niya na si Pasiano, Silvestre Obaldo, his brother-in-law, Chengoy, and his other friends. Chengoy is Jose M. Cecilio. He is Rizal's friend who wrote a letter to Rizal about Leonor Rivera's situation. They warned him not to return home because of the publication of his Noli Me Tangere, which made the friars in the Philippines furious. Pero hindi siya nagpatinag at umuwi pa rin siya for some reasons. And those reasons are to operate his mother's eyes, to serve the Filipino people who were oppressed by the Spanish tyrants, to determine how his Noli and other writings affected the Filipinos and the Spaniards, and to inquire about the conditions of Leonor Rivera. Rizal took a train from Rome to Marseille, and he sailed from France on the Shemna, a steamer ship bound for Manila. Pagdating sa Saigon, nag-switch naman siya sa Haiphong, a ship papuntang Manila. Nakarating ito noong August 5, 1887. When he came back to his hometown on August 8, 1887, sinalubong siya ng halo-halong emosyon ng family niya. May saya, ngunit meron ding pangamba for his safety. That's why Pasiano and their father didn't leave him during his first few days of arrival. Rizal established a medical clinic in Calamba, and his first patient was his mother, who was almost blind. But her mother's eye cataract wasn't ready for surgery. That's why the operation couldn't be done yet. Dinadayo pa siya ng mga pasyente mula Manila and malalapit na provinces sa Calamba para magpagamot. And that made him famous bukod sa pagkakaroon niya ng malaking kita at maayos na gawain bilang doktor. Fair naman ang kanyang bayad sa pagpapagamot at libre niyang ginagamot ang mga mahihirap na pasyente. In 6 months of staying in Calamba, he tried but he failed to see Leonor Rivera. He attempted to go to Dagupan but prevented by his parents kasi yung mother ni Leonor is ayaw siyang maging son-in-law. May mga threats sa buhay ni Rizal because of the publication of his book Noli. The friars and other Spanish authorities considered it as heretical, impious, scandalous in the religious order, anti-patriotic, subversive of public order, and injurious to the government of Spain and its functions to the Philippine Islands, which is threat sa kanila sa pananakop nila. Kahit na ganun o pagbabawal ng gobyerno, maraming mga Pilipino pa rin ang nagtago ng mga kopya tapos binabasa nila ito sa gabi ng palihim. Governor General Emilio Terrero, as a broad-minded person, remained firm at hindi nagpatinag sa mga praile. He even assigned a young bodyguard, Lieutenant Jose Tavial de Andrade, to protect Rizal. Also, yung mga Jesuit professors niya na sila Father Francisco de Paula Sanchez, Jose Beck, and Father Francisco Faura ay naniniwalang lahat ng nasa Noli ay katotohanan, pero natatakot sila na mapahamak si Rizal. Another issue in Noli that made it controversial was Rizal's exposure of the poor conditions of land tenants in Calamba. He showed how unfairly the Filipino farmers were treated by the friars. This made many people angry, not just the Spanish, but even Rizal's friends, relatives, and Lieutenant Andrade, because they were worried for his safety. Because of the danger, the Governor General advised Rizal to leave the Philippines for his own safety.